Despite 12% more new contracts this report than last report, home demand data indicates a buyer activity is down in all counties. It's Friday, January 16th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your resource for all things real estate in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Buyer demand across the Baltimore metro area appears quiet. Although demand was limited in both Howard and Baltimore counties, it was a smidge higher than Harford, Anne Arundel, and Carroll counties. Baltimore City remains the softest market of the Baltimore metro region, reflecting ongoing affordability friction, heightened rate sensitivity, and more cautious buyer sentiment in the denser, more populated areas of the city. Charles County is slow but outperforming Calvert and St. Mary counties, which are tracking very limited. Prince George's, Montgomery, and Frederick counties are also all very limited in home demand. Of those counties in the mountain region, Washington County is steady while Allegheny and Garrett counties are very limited. 1,718 new inventory units came to the market since my last report, and at a median $399,990, an 11% increase from last report's new listings. Coming soon properties rose steeply to 1,026 at a median $445,770. New contracts rose 12% this report to 1,217 units and at a median list price of $405,000. And days before a seller received a contract dipped to 41 days. 800 units sold in 30 days at 98.1% list to sold ratio and at a $410,000 median sold price. Rental units rose to 3,783 units available at $2,500 per month. Do you have questions about your specific real estate circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 16th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.